Hi everyone and welcome to Money's Corner. I will be doing a Sephora small haul that I did, and I'm going to tell you what I bought. I spent about $30 I think, and the first item that I have, this is the Sephora, and this is the Illuminator. Okay, and it looks like this, and you put it on your cheekbone to make it shine and look gorgeous. I love this. I plan to do a video of all this, the final product, how it looks. So I got that. I ordered that, and then I got the Sephora oil-free makeup in this color, and the color is clear light, because when I contour, it's so dark it evens it out. So that's the one I got. This is the one that I love. That seems to be fitting me really well. And then I got a concealer. And this concealer is just amazing. I love it. And I also got, with my points, I also got this gorgeous little, from Anastasia. And this is the lip gloss that I got, and it looks like this. And I'll do a little swatch so you can see how it looks. Give me 1 second. And it looks like that. So yes. Then, since I placed the order online, they gave me the option of 3 samples. But before that, with my points, I was able to get this Flower Bomb sample perfume, which has me very happy. I love how it smells. So that was with my points. Now they gave me the option to pick 3 things, and what I picked was, I picked this ambient lighting powder, sample of their powder right here. And then I got a Urban Decay Special Effects lip glosses, and it gives, or lipsticks. It comes in these 3 shades. So I'm looking forward into trying those. And I also got a Clinique new Moisture Surge, and this is a Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And I got that sample as well. So it was really cool because I got my 3 items, you know, that I was needing because I ran out. And then with my points, dropping everything today, with my points, I was able to score this Anastasia lip gloss, lipstick, and this Flower Bomb sample. So I am very excited. That's what I got. Now I also am part of the Sephora Play, and I'm not going to make a separate video. I'm going to include it in this video. So this is how the Sephora Play Box looks, and I got that today, so I'm very excited. And the bag came very good, very cute. And of course it comes with a piece of paper that tells you 50 points and all. I have that. I think I left it in the kitchen, but the first thing that I got, that I saw, that I was very excited, is I got this Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. And this is the sample. This is a sample of the perfume. And I can open it. If I can open it, I'm just gonna have to, I'll have my son open it later. So I got that. And then I also got this Sephora, and this is a mud mask. And it looks like this. It smells really good. Wow, I can't believe it smells good. I got some in my nose, so I got this. Looking forward to trying that. You can never have enough mud masks, and it's enough. And I ran out, so I'm really happy that I have this now. It's a Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar, and I love these because it helps you. Like I said, some of us know washing your hair is bad every day, and if you've experienced hair loss, that's something you'll know. This got me so excited. I just ran out, and I was telling myself, oh my god, I gotta get one. I got a Marc Jacobs mascara. And look at how great, look at the size. This is perfect for 3 months. So I'm very happy about that. The next thing that I got is the Professional Pore Primer. That's awesome. It looks like that. And it is big enough to try a few times, and that's what it looks like. So yes, I think it's so cutely packaged too. I just love it. For some reason, it reminds me of the 50s. I don't know why. Isn't that cute? So I got that. And last but not least, I got the tattoo liner. And let me go ahead and open that up so you can all see what this looks like. I always struggle with opening things. Okay, it's coming along. So yes, so like I said, SephoraPlay is I love it. I love the little samples that they send. It gives me the opportunity to try things. So it looks like this. This is the tattoo liner. Oh, look at how pretty that is. And you open it up and look at how great that looks. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Love it. Love it, love it. So yes, this is what I got from my SephoraPlay. It was five samples plus the perfume. So I got this, and this was from Black Opium, and I got the Sephora mud mask, and I got the shampoo, the dry shampoo. I got the Pore Professional. And then I got this awesome tattoo liner. And of course, my favorite, the Marc Jacobs mascara. So yes, I am very happy with all the items that I got. I am definitely Sephora happy. So I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you for your time. You all have a good night. Bye.